Welcome to the BedMass app video lesson on simplifying the powers. Simplifying the powers requires the use of exponentiation laws 1, 2, and 3. These laws are fairly obvious if you have looked carefully at the expanded form of the powers. If you have x to the power of m times x to the power of n, that equals x to the power of m plus n. If you have x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n, then you have x to the power of m minus n. Third one is x to the power of 0 is equal to 1, as long as x does not equal to 0. Let's do an example. Here we have minus 2 to the power of 3 divided by minus 2 to the power of 2. So that's minus 2 to the power of 3 minus 2. Minus 2 is our base. 3 minus 2 is 1. Here we have 4 to the power of 3 divided by 4 to the power of 1. 4 is our base. We use the rule of the exponents subtracting. 3 minus 1 is 2. We have one negative sign, so our answer is negative. For the numerator, we have 2 times 4 to the power of 2. 4 to the power of 2 is 16. 2 times 16 is 32. And for the denominator, we just have 1. Let's do one more example. We have minus 2 as the base. We have 2 minus 4, that's negative 2. That's the exponent. We have 3 as the base. 3 minus 1 is the exponent. That's 2. We have a negative sign done twice. We don't count this negative sign. This negative sign means it's just in the denominator. So we have 2 negative signs. That's even. So the answer is positive. For the numerator, we look to the positive exponents. That's 3 to the power of 2, so that's 9. For the denominator, we look for negative exponents. That's this one. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Let's do the next exercise. It just has one base. So we need to combine multiple rules. The base is negative 5. Here, for the numerator, we have 2 plus 1, that's 3. For the denominator, we have 4 plus 4, that's 8. So 3 minus 8, that's negative 5. Again, we take this negative sign, and we take this as the number of times it occurs. So there are 5 negative signs. That's odd, so our answer is negative. The power is negative. That means it goes to the denominator. We have nothing for the numerator, so that's 1. 5 to the power of 5. Five times 5 is 25. 25 times 25, using the multiplication trick, we take 2, multiply by 1 larger, so that's 6, and 5 times 5 is 25. Get rid of that. Now we have 625, that's 5 to the power of 4. Now we need to multiply by 5 one more time. 5 times 5, 25. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 2, that's 12. Carry the 1. 6 times 5 is 30. We add the 1. So our answer is 3, 1, 2, 5. Check. Let's do one more example. Our base is 7. We have 3 plus 2 on the numerator. We have 2 plus 1 in the denominator. This is 5 minus 3, that's 2. It's positive, so our answer is positive. For The exponent is positive, so that goes into the numerator. 7 squared is 49. And there's no negative exponent, so our denominator is just 1. Now it's your turn to try.